Hi everyone and welcome! Planning a trip to the vibrant city of Marrakech? Wondering what to pack? You've come to the right place! While Morocco is an Arab country, packing for Marrakech requires a bit more thought than you might initially think. Let's break down the essentials based on different occasions and situations you might encounter. And while you're here, before starting, please like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Okay, we're ready. Let's start packing for Marrakech. First things first, comfort and practicality are key, especially for exploring the city and its incredible monuments. Comfortable walking shoes. Trust me on this one, you'll be doing a lot of walking, so a good pair of sneakers or comfortable flats is a must. Small backpack or crossbody bag. Perfect for carrying your essentials like water, a small snack, and any souvenirs you pick up along the way. Comfortable and layerable clothing. Comfortable and layerable clothing is highly recommended for Marrakech. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton and linen to stay cool during the day. Packing layers such as light jackets, sweaters, or scarves will allow you to adjust to the cooler temperatures of mornings and evenings, especially during spring and winter, and the intensity of the midday sun. Also, layers can be useful for visiting more conservative areas where covering shoulders and knees may be appreciated. Now we know that a light jacket or cardigan is ideal for cooler mornings, evenings, or air-conditioned spaces, and can be easily packed away when not needed. Just one reason why bringing a backpack is a good idea. Small secure bag, like a fanny pack, worn across the front. Especially useful when navigating crowded souks. Keep your phone, wallet, and important documents safe and easily accessible. Now, let's talk about evenings out, and this is where it gets interesting. Marrakech offers a diverse range of dining and entertainment experiences. While some traditional restaurants offer a relaxed yet elegant atmosphere where stylish dress or smart casual attire works perfectly, there's also a more glamorous side to the city. Elegant outfits with options. It's a great idea to pack a few evening outfits. While one elegant dress or smart trousers might suffice for some restaurants, consider bringing something a little bit more special too. For women, this could be a dress with some sparkle or more sophisticated detailing. Appropriate evening shoes. Your choice of shoes is important too. While comfortable heels or elegant flats are great, consider packing a slightly more glamorous pair if you plan on visiting some of the more upscale venues. Consider the venue and the district. Marrakech has evolved into a major tourist destination, and certain areas cater to a more luxurious clientele. Think about districts where you might find casinos and high-end hotels. These areas often have very chic restaurants, some with elevators and multiple floors, as well as stylish bars and clubs with music and entertainment. Don't think of Marrakech only as a traditional Arab city. It has a very modern and luxurious side as well. Pack this to fully experience Marrakech nightlife. But what do we need for the day? Sun protection. Don't forget a hat and sunglasses. Shade can be limited when exploring the city, especially in main squares and while walking between monuments. A hat is essential for sun protection, and sunglasses are crucial for your eyes. And speaking of the sun, here's another item you'll be glad you packed. A swimsuit. Swimsuit. Many beautiful hotels in Marrakech boast stunning swimming pools. You definitely wouldn't want to miss the opportunity to relax and take a dip, especially with the pleasant temperatures, even in April or during lovely spring days. unexpected swimming opportunities. You might even find yourself surprised. Imagine going on a desert excursion and arriving at a beautiful desert resort. Some of these tented accommodations, which are like hotels or residences, even have pools in the middle of the desert. We were so glad we had our swimsuits to enjoy a refreshing swim in such a unique setting. For the hammam, while traditional hammams have separate areas for men and women and might provide you with something to wear, having your own swimsuit can sometimes feel more comfortable and convenient, especially for women. Usually you don't need the towels or anything else because it's all provided. Marrakech is also a gateway to exciting excursions like desert adventures. Long trousers, essential for desert activities like quad biking to protect your legs. Choose a lightweight, sporty pair. Scarf or Arafat scarf. In the desert, a scarf will protect your face and neck from sand, especially when riding ATVs. So, to summarize, when packing for Marrakech, think about comfortable walking shoes, layerable clothing for temperature changes, a hat for essential sun protection during the day, a range of elegant options for diverse evening venues, appropriate footwear for different occasions, practicality for excursions, the essential swimsuit for pool days and potential surprises, handy foldable shopping bag for your souk treasures, respect for the local culture. While Marrakech is relatively open, it's always best to dress respectfully. You can still be stylish. With these tips in mind, you'll be well prepared to enjoy all that this incredible city has to offer, from its traditional charm to its modern elegance, all while staying comfortable and protected from the sun. Have a fantastic trip! Okay, now you have everything you need. I have to say goodbye, but please subscribe and like this video so we can see each other on our next adventure. Bye!